In some cities, housing prices are just baffling. People who bought apartments were full of hope, thinking the prices would keep rising, leaving a bit of value for themselves and their kids. But reality often hits harder than imagined. Some say you should look ahead, not just at the current prices, or your mind will never feel at ease. Yet when prices change every single day, what seemed like an asset at the time of purchase can quickly become a burden. In Shanghai, some areas have eased purchase restrictions for over a month, but many buyers are still confused, unsure of what to do next. Almost all policy tools have been used: relaxing purchase limits, lowering down payments, cutting interest rates, reducing taxes, but most ordinary people are still reeling. In fact, nearly 80% of properties in Shanghai have little investment value now, and selling them is difficult. Many homeowners are quietly sighing. I know someone who bought an apartment in 2019 at the peak, spending 2.89 million yuan. Back then, they thought prices would keep climbing, expecting to make some profit in the future. Now, watching prices drop day by day, the feeling is bitter. A neighbor said their apartment could only fetch 2 million yuan now, almost a million less than they paid. And it's not just their block. Prices are falling across Shanghai, changing by the day. Middle-class families are under immense pressure. Many companies are affected by economic fluctuations from the housing market, leading to layoffs and bankruptcies, and social tensions quietly build up. Owners who once hoped prices would rise now rush to sell, afraid of losing even more if they wait. Some haven't even received their new homes before putting them on the market. Some people, burdened by debt, sell at a loss just to catch a breather. Some communities have tried price protection alliances, agreeing not to sell below a certain price. But this only helps their own block. Prices elsewhere keep dropping. More and more owners are juggling between agents and fluctuating prices every day, anxious not to miss any deal. The more houses are listed, the fewer buyers there are. Some properties drop in price dozens of thousands of yuan, yet still don't sell. Some apartments have been on the market for 3 months with no inquiries, and even after multiple price cuts, nobody buys. Online, there are stories like a 65 square meter secondhand apartment in Xixi, Heilongjiang, listed for only 12,000 yuan, practically the price of a phone. In big cities, prices have fallen drastically, from 25,000 yuan per square meter at the peak to 60, 70,000 total, or even just in the 300,000 range for certain units. Buyers' confidence is shattered. Many people are realizing that owning a house doesn't automatically mean security. Homes and cars once felt like wealth and protection, but in the face of falling housing prices and mounting debt, they often become burdens. Ordinary people can only rely on their own earning power and savings for real security. Dreams of buying at peak prices have turned into pressure and losses, reminding everyone that life has its ups and downs. No one can sail smoothly through every economic storm.